How to write bold, italic, and strike through text as comment in YouTube. So hey guys, if you want to write your comments as a different format like the bold, italic, and strike through as shown here in this comment, then you need to follow this video till the end. So let us start. So I will be just moving on to a new video and I will demonstrate you how I did this. So here we are in a new video and let me show you how I did this. So the first thing we are gonna be covering is about the bold text. So for the bold text you need this star symbol. So first place a star symbol and then type your sentence normally. So for example, let me type a particular sentence like you can also use space between the words. That will be perfectly all right. And once you have typed in your sentence, hit the star symbol again, and that is basically you are enclosing this particular sentence between the star symbols, and this will make your sentence bold. So if I press the comment button, you can see that this particular text comes in a bold format. So now let us cover up with the italic. So in order to write an italic text as comment, you need to use the underscore symbol. So place underscore symbol first and then type in your normal sentence like, and then once you have typed in your sentence, again hit the underscore key and enclose your sentence between the underscore symbols. So let me post it again, and here you can see that this time it's in the italic format. And now let's cover up the strike through format. So in order to comment a strike through text, you need to use the hyphen symbol. So place a hyphen symbol and then write your comment as normal text. And then once you have typed in, again hit the hyphen symbol, and then once you are done, hit the comment button. And here you can see that this time the comment came in a strike through format. So now we have covered all the three: the bold, italic, and the strike through format of text in the YouTube comments. So if this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if you knew about this trick or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.